Hey, my troll train riders. Welcome to the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. My name is Dion. We start here with chapstick. What is the Crazy Troll Nation? The Crazy Troll Nation is we just have fun on our channel. We are crazy, we are goofy, we're serious when we need to be. We just love life as much as possible, considering whatever the circumstances are that's going on. The troll part of the Crazy Troll Nation is wearing what we want to wear and rocking it with confidence. It doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't matter the tool, it doesn't matter the technique, it doesn't matter what the beauty community says. Here it is about self-love, self-acceptance, embracing our natural features, enhancing them if we want to, but not feeling like we have to because of what somebody else says. That, in a nutshell, is the concept of the Crazy Troll Nation. Loving ourselves from the inside out, and just rocking it, owning who we are and just rocking it. I do use foul language on my channel sometimes. I think that's it for the intro. This is what else you'll see here. I'm really tired today, as usual. I'm functioning off of about 3 hours of sleep and about 30 ounces of Mountain Dew. I haven't eaten much today for no particular reason because I did go to a cookout of sorts, but I was just so tired I wasn't even really feeling hungry, but I do know I need to eat, and I will. And it was a crab fest, so I did bring some crabs home. So I'm going to eat that after this video. I had on my calendar to do a look with my MAC palette that I made from Singles, and I haven't used it in a while, and I was going to do the video tomorrow. Today is Sunday, June 17th. But I said, you know what? Let me just dig into this now, and it'll be out of the way. And I do really just enjoy playing with makeup. And so I just primed my eye with the Fenty eyeshadow primer and blended it out as usual. If you've been here before, I dropped one of my brushes, but you know, I always have duplicates, so it's not an issue. Oh shit, and I dropped my paper. The MAC palette that I have, and I have not used it in a while. I don't know if I just said that, but this is what she looks like, and she's gorgeous, right? So the shades we're going to use: Starry Night, More Money, More Problems, Kiss of Klimt, Sketch, and Uninterrupted. Those are the shades that we're going to use. So we're going to do one look on each eye, but for both looks we're going to use some of the same colors. I'm tripping. Why am I doing that? Because I'm tripping. So we're going to start with Starry Night on the lid for both eyes. I did not tap off. Ooh, I need to experiment with this. Oh, I love this shade over a black base, or at the least a brown base, because it has red in it, and that would play off of the brown. And we're taking the top of the brush and blending into our transition area. This shade is nice. Look at that shift. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Ooh, honey. Let me know if you still use MAC. I don't see or hear anything about MAC anymore. Of course it pops up on my Instagram because wherever we go online, something's picking up those cookies, and then it comes into our feed, whether Twitter, Facebook, you know, whatever. And it's kind of scary in a way that like nothing's private, even though it's the internet, how it all communicates together. But anyway, look at this. For this eye, we're going to take More Money, More Problems on our outer corner. This is going to go here. Oh, that don't look right. Oh, yeah, that don't look right. This is how I learn. I learn by doing. Like, you can say what you want to say, but sometimes I just got to do it. And that looks hideous. So I know not to do this again. Yeah, that's ugly. I just ruined Starry Night because that is a pretty shade. Is it working? Let me know if that's working. And we're not done with it yet. I'm going to take NYX Retractable Eyeliner in Golden Olive, and this is going to go on my lower lash line for both eyes. And later we may put it on our inner rim. I meant to put on concealer around this area. I do not have on any face paint. Troll Nation, baby, even when we don't put on face paint, we are okay with it. Because it really is okay. This is going to be friggin' hideous because I have that same shade for my transition area over here. I don't know why I thought these went together. I am so sorry. Hourglass number 3 brush for the lid shade. Excuse me, so rude. This is Scott Barnes number 63 brush. I'm going to go back with Starry Night because we're going to take this all the way over the entire lid. I know I've said it before, I'll say it again. Sometimes I have color perception issues. And so when I was looking at this in the palette, I really thought it was going to go together. Joel was wrong. This is hideous. Yes, I had this for my transition. Y'all, this is ugly. It's that same green. Lower lash line over here. This one was a Fenty 220 brush. We're going to take a clean one and take Starry Night, and we're going to run that along our lower lash line. I was supposed to take Uninterrupted on this lower lash line. So we're going to take a clean one. I got 3 of them. And Uninterrupted is like that mustard shade. So that was supposed to go under here, which is okay. And I do like that this is turning this grungy. I actually like that better. I don't think it goes with the top of the eye because I think those colors don't go together. But, you know, that's what Troll did, so that's what we got. Red Brick, which is the center shade, and it's orange. This shade right here. You know what? That makes me think of the Red Brick and the Marrakesh palette, because to me that looks orange too. So like I should compare those one day. This is going into, this is going to be hideous. What the hell was I thinking about with these colors? I'm going lightly because what was on my mind? And I don't smoke weed, y'all, so it's like it's not like I was high. Maybe I was high on Mountain Dew. What the heck? I don't know, y'all. And I'm gonna still post this video. Well, you'll know it because you'll see it. This is ugly as hell. So what I'm gonna do is, which was not the plan, I'm gonna take this brush, Scott Barnes number 62, and go into that mustard shade we put under here, which is Uninterrupted. And we're going to put that on top of that Red Brick, which is orange. I don't know what I was thinking. This is how not to do your eyeshadow. That's what this would be a good tutorial for, like how not to do it. And these colors don't even go together. I took some more of the Uninterrupted, that mustard. I don't know what Scott Barnes number 63 and take Sketch. This will play off of the red shift. So I do know this will look right. Well, I think it will. So let's go to the outer corner. And so I'm just going to lightly and I'm only going one way. I'm not going back and forth. So I'm swiping to the outer corner with this brush. Just to overlap Sketch with Starry Night. That I like. This could be your look. We're also going to take whatever's left of Sketch on here and run this under here. So this is what not to do. This is what to do. That's what we'll call this video. We're going to take an Esom T37 and go into Kiss of Klimt. Right here. Yeah, so this eye is good. This eye is nice. Scott Barnes number 63, and we're going to take Mo Money, Mo Problems. Put that in the crease, and hopefully I will not mess up this look. I'm liking it. I think it looks a little muddy. However, I think it looks grungy. And so in that sense, I'm digging it. because I do like a dark eye. I do like a grungy look. I do like a smoky look. Esom V33, and we're just going to go in small circular motions. Not that I really think that it needs it, but we're gonna do it. And then we're gonna feather and do a windshield wiper. And just for no other reason than to do it, we're gonna do this. For no other reason, we're gonna do that over there. So this is what not to do. This is what to do. Both eyes featuring Starry Night and Mo Money, Mo Problems. We're gonna use MAC's Paint Pot in black for our lash line. That same eyeliner we used on our lower lash line, we're going to put on our lower inner rim. Charlotte Tilbury, Pillow Talk mascara, top and bottom lashes. I'm going to edit the rest of this process out. Wiping off chapstick. We're going to take, and I'm smiling because I love these, Stila Stunner in Undefeated. So this is a purple to play off of Starry Night and all those wonderful shifts. This is starting to smell funny. It says it's good till April 2023. I need to compare the smell to the other ones and see if it smells the same. I'm gonna edit out the rest of this process. For some fun, we're going to take one of the new Nomad Glosses, and this one, I don't want to mispronounce it. And we're going to tap. Listen, if y'all said I'm not feeling these Nomad Glosses, put them over a liquid lip or a bullet lipstick. I'm telling you, you see this? Tell me that ain't hot. Tell me that's not purple fire. Please. And feel free to leave a purple emoji if you're feeling it. Yeah. So this is going to be the look. We're not doing concealer or any of that. No face paint. And what not to do with Starry Night and Mo Money, Mo Problems. What to do with Starry Night and Mo Money, Mo Problems. And of course a bomb ass purple lip. So this is this in disregard. Except to know what not to do. This one, yeah. So thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts below, and if you're still using and loving MAC products, let me know that as well. And you will see me in the next video, which something will be popping up over here, so feel free to hang out and check that out, and I will see you next time. Thanks.